Hello. Let's start the report. And here in data practice, I choose the COVID-19 analysis to make a report about the dataset, and I focus on the questions about the vaccination affects the spread and the severity of the epidemic, and whether the population influenced the severity of the epidemic. And I will choose part of them as part of the variables to analyze these questions, especially in vaccination rate and age age over 65 ratio and the population density. And here I make the data management to choose the variables I need and make them into subsets and make the data cleaning. Here, most of them are in this data set, there was so many null values that most of them should be replaced with zero, and part of them could not be replaced by any values because it will not fit the situation. So I just deleted them, and from the dataset, I noticed that most of the values are for updated for 7 days on every Sunday. It updated it uploaded the data of each country. So I choose all the data in Sundays, and which can help me to reduce the amount of the data in the dataset. Also, it will improve the speed of the data management. And also, I'll use some chart to make the data visualization, and use line chart and histogram to show the distribution of those variables and the relationship between these variables. Uh, Also, here I create some secondary variables like vaccination rates, for vaccination rates, and although there were some variables that are similar to the variables I created, but I think it was I could be helpful to analyze these questions more easily, and I took out the uh, population density into four groups, including low, middle, high, and very high. And then I use the hypothesis and the statistical testing. Here, I do both the variate hypothesis testing and the multivariate hypothesis testing. And from that, we could see that the vaccination rate and the relationship between vaccination rate and the new cases has no significant relationship, and while it was it was a significant relationship between fully vaccinated rate and death rate, which shows a negative relationship, and uh, it is a good choice for us to analyze them. And then we choose the question about the relationship between population and epidemic, and we analyze the people of aging countries that the deaths has a higher rate of deaths, and it shows the positive significant relationship. And also the population density affects whether the population density affects the new cases. Actually, the result shows that it was a significant relationship between them. And also, I used the scatter chart and line chart to show the relationship between these variables, and then I make the regression results to make sure the strong to make sure that these hypotheses could be accept or reject. And here the box plot shows the difference between these density groups, and those in very high and high can easily see that there was a higher new cases per rate in than those in media and the low. And then I use multivariate analysis. And the first I do is to choose the variables about vaccination rate and folate vaccination rate, aging rate, population density. Here I make a correlation heat map to shows the relationship between each variables. And in this multiple variant analysis, we can get the result of that there was some part of them are not equal to the unvariate analysis. The aging has a significant positive relationship to the effect on the new the cases it has, and the vaccination rate may not affect on the deaths and the new cases. But here I choose because I choose the one time at the one time, and different points of the time could have different results, and the population density does not have a significant effect on other variables. It was may be affected by other variables like policies or other things in the model. And in this report, I find that we need to make more analysis in multivariant analysis to show the correct result by it was more it could reveal the truly relationship between the between the unvariate analysis, and also the the vaccination rate to the vaccination has a effective control of the death rate, but it was still do not have so many control in the spread. And here I learned something about the code here, just to use the not in here to choose those with the continents that not null value, and I use the group by index max to get to choose those with null without null value to create a new subset. And the seaborne hit rate and some other pictures are used in this report. That was the total of the report analysis.